Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can migrate from Cartel to Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, to migrate Cartel to Shopify, what you need to do first, of course, is to set up a Shopify profile. You need to open up an account, and of course, you will need to pay for a premium plan to be able to sell items on Shopify. Once you do that, then you can actually start migrating your items. Now, what you need to do, you need to export your orders. I don't have any orders, so I don't have anything to export. And you can also export your products. However, I'm not sure how to do it. If I go into more actions, I only have the option to import products. I don't have the option to export them, so I'm not sure how you would be able to do it. You might be able to do it if you upgrade to a different plan. However, if not, you can use some third-party apps or extensions, or in worst case, you can just manually migrate them over into your Shopify store. Now, as you'll see here on this site, because I can't show you guys exactly how it's done in these steps, what you should do is, of course, back up your data from Cartel and then create a Shopify account, add the migration details, which Shopify will ask you for. Since Cartel is not listed among the options, just choose other, and for annual revenue, just enter how much money you've made if you've sold in the past year or in the past couple of years. Then set up your store on Shopify and then migrate it. As you can see, you can go into orders and into shipped, and then export from the button in the top right and choose the CSV format. I don't have the option because I don't have any shipped orders, but it is what it is. Then just log into Shopify, go into apps and store importer. You can import all the categories manually if you want to. However, you can use a store importer to be quicker and more efficient. Then just install the app and launch it. Choose the CSV file which you've exported from Cartel, click Start Import, and then just review and update your imported data, and you should be good. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.